Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. To start, navigate to LinkedIn and click on the Me profile icon to reveal the drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy to open your account settings. Within the Account Preferences tab, scroll all the way down to the Account Management section and click on Close Account. LinkedIn will remind you that this action results in the loss of all your connections, messages, endorsements, and recommendations. If you wish to proceed, click Continue, and then select a reason for closing your profile. After choosing a reason, press Next. You will then be prompted to enter your password to confirm the deletion. Once you have typed it in, click Done. Your account has now been successfully closed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.